Hey guys, it's Mai from My Healthy Dish, and today we are making cheesy pull-apart cauliflower. Now, the trick to make this more pliable is to actually throw it in the hot water for about 5-10 minutes. We are going to make a rub for our cauliflower. We first start with panko, and then we are going to crush some fresh garlic. Let's get some of this fresh flat leaf parsley. And what binds it all together is olive oil. We want a lot because we want to coat the whole cauliflower. Our cauliflower is done in the boiling water. We're going to take it out, dry it, and rub it, and then throw it in the oven. Let's show this cauliflower some garlic love. And use both hands for this. We're gonna cut into our mozzarella cheese. I have mozzarella cheese because it's more gooey and we want that gooey pull apart. Kind of have to cut it small and cube it small because we have to fit it in these crevices here. Now this is the hardest part, is not breaking apart this cauliflower while we're making these crevices. See, I made a little crevice and we're gonna just stuff some cheese in it. The more the better. And we're gonna go all around the cauliflower. I stuffed as much cheese as I could in this cauliflower and I packed all my panko on top for that crunch, but let's just top it off with a little bit more sea salt. And move this over to the cast iron. And showing it a little bit more love. This cauliflower is pretty much done cooking, but we're gonna throw it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes for it to dry and for the panko to get crispy and the cheese to melt. This looks amazing. It smells amazing. I'm ready to cut into it and see that gooey cheese. The cauliflower is still crunchy. You definitely taste the garlic and the olive oil and the parsley and the herbs and of course the cheese. If you love this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com for more.